Hello all and welcome back to my channel. I am Paige and we are painting for this week's craft. We did a string art piece that was shaped like a feather. However, you can do so many different things with the string pull or chain pull pieces. Really all you're doing is placing a string down with paint on it and pulling. In that last video, obviously, we made a feather. This week, I have no plan. The idea is that we're gonna end up with something abstract, and I have 3 long canvases that I've got a bit of an idea that I want to try out with these. So if you're interested in some string pull painting, please continue watching. Rather than doing one large canvas with a string pull, we're actually gonna try 3 tiny ones. And I thought it would be really cute to attempt to spell out each of my family members' names with the string. Obviously, it's not gonna be perfect, but the plan as I lay down the string in the paint is to attempt to cursive write all of our names. So I have blue string over there. You can't really see it very well on my mat that I'm gonna put paint on, but we've got our string. I have a lot of white paint to flood our canvases, and I also have some silver, and I've got some different shades of purple. I thought it would kind of give it a smoky-like effect when we pulled it. We'll see. So I'm first gonna add my silicone to my 3 colors. Those are the only colors that I'm putting the silicone in. There's no point in putting the white down with silicone because it's gonna be our base. And I'll actually scooch some of my canvases over so you can see as we put color on the strings. I think I'm gonna leave a little bit at the end of my string so I've got something to hold onto. But we're basically just gonna load these puppies up with color and kind of squish them together. What we're gonna do, let me see, let's do I'm trying to dip all of my string in paint, trying to get it as saturated as possible. So there's some dark purple. Here's some of my light purple. Some silver, maybe in here, here at the end. All of our colors are on the string. I'm gonna make sure it's all absorbed into it. I'm gonna flood all 3 of these canvases. Get it nice and spread out. Now, I'm gonna lay a paper towel down kind of at the base. I don't know if there's a good way to do this. At the base to not make too much of a mess for myself. And here we go. So I'm gonna pick up one of my strings. There's so many strings. They're all kind of tangled together. All right. Now I'm going to try to write, let's try Alex first. Oh, this is so much harder than I thought it would be. All right. See, that was me trying to write Alex. It's not going to be perfect at all. So now I'm just going to pull straight towards me, attempting to not get too much paint everywhere, but just go in gently. There's one. All right, should I do, because I was gonna do Alex, Kelly, and Paige. And that was really difficult. Try to spell. String pulls are so much easier when you don't have an intent to them. So that's good to know for future projects. Okay. Let's try me. So P, A, oh my goodness. I, G, E. Look at that sideways. There's no way that says Paige at all. It might look kind of like my signature. My mother hates my signature. She believes that it should look like your name. And mine looks like my name is Pudge. P-G-E. When I write my name really fast, that's all that really comes out. There's Paige. But this is so cool. I mean, they look so unique. I'm laying the string down in different ways, and they're turning out pretty dang cool. All right, last one is Kelly. Oh my. Oh my. E, L, L, Y. Sure. That totally says Kelly. Okay, now let's pull. And that is supposed to say Kelly. All right, let's hit them all with the heat gun. You know, my goal was to not try to blow any of these out. I feel like typically I like the appearance of blowing paint out with my breath. So I tend to do that a lot on my paintings, but maybe just a little bit. feel like it kind of gives more of a, like a soft petal kind of vibe for all of them. Well, dang, these are so cool. I love the way these turned out anyways. So I'm going to let them dry and we're gonna come back and talk about them. Our pieces are all dried and glossed up, and this was way harder than I thought it was gonna be. I mean, the plan was that I had no plan, but attempting to drape paint covered string in the shape of a name, nah. But each one of these pieces turned out really cool and unique in its own way. So here's the finished one where I tried to spell Alex. This is my stepdaughter. They all kind of look like flowers, and I like that vibe about the string pulls. This one was the page. They've got really cool cells. You can see all of our different colors in each painting, including the metallic. This one does not look like either of the two. It's a bit more chaos, but that works because this is my husband, Kelly. They're all a little crazy looking. I don't know if I prefer them kind of this way or if I would like them, you know, going horizontal or vertical. I'm not sure. I'll have to hang them somewhere in my house. And I think it's kind of cool that each one of them was supposed to be our names, even though that's obviously not what they look like. But here are some shots of these gorgeous pieces out in the natural light. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you all enjoyed this week's craft, and if you did, feel free to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel. I also have links for my social media in the description box below. I'll see you guys all for the next one.